Countries spend millions on old buildings. Classical building, but people still don't have homes. Flushed. So what's more important, history or housing? This is a very common PTE essay topic. Today, I'll give you simple ideas, useful vocabulary, and a high-scoring answer. You can only write an essay if you have ideas about that particular question. So, let's discuss a few positive and negative points. First, why historic buildings matter. They protect cultural heritage, they attract tourists and boost the economy, and they help people connect with their history. But focusing too much on old buildings can be a problem. Many people need affordable housing. Restoration is expensive, and modern homes provide better living conditions. Use words like cultural heritage, restoration, and urban development. Or simple words like old buildings, housing, and living standards. Start with a hook with every country must decide how to use its resources wisely. And paraphrase the topic. Some countries spend more money on restoring historic buildings instead of developing modern housing. Don't forget to add thesis statement. I partly agree with this approach because heritage is important, but housing needs should not be ignored. In body paragraph 1, explain the benefits of historic buildings. Like firstly, restoring historic buildings is important for cultural preservation. And explain it. These structures represent a nation's history and attract tourists, which supports the economy. Add an example at the end. For example, famous monuments like old forts and temples bring millions of visitors every year. In body paragraph 2, explain the need for modern housing. Like however, individuals also have an important role to play. And explain it, people can reduce waste, save energy, and support eco-friendly products. Although their impact is smaller, collective action can bring significant change. Add example at the end. For instance, using public transport and reducing plastic use can help lower pollution levels. Finally, give a balanced conclusion. Both are important. In conclusion, one can confidently state that both historic preservation and modern housing are important. And favor, therefore, governments should maintain a balance between the two. That's how you can score 79+ in PTE essay. What do you think, experience or education? Comment below.